Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 79, the Nasdaq flat, S&P's up 5, gold contract flat, 12.2760 an ounce. Silver down 4 cents, trading $15.57 an ounce. Copper up a penny, $2.75 a pound. Light sweet crude come out with the numbers this morning. We had a build inside the numbers. Bottom line, oil up to 83 cents, $68.90 now. Oil market, folks, last week we're at 74. Oil numbers come out. Bottom line, you also had a build. You had a drawdown last week. Market popped for all of about 10 minutes, then went south from $74 down to the 68. Right now, you're at 68.90. I expect you're going to get a pop to somewhere about 70. Bottom line, though, oil wants lower price. Notes and bonds, we had Powell speaking yesterday at the Senate Banking Committee. We had him speaking today. Bottom line, he's saying that, hey, listen, the economy's going good. I thought short-term rates were still going to go up. Right now, if we do take a look at the Fed Fund futures rate, what you're going to see is that we're at a 90% probability. Oh, 90% probability. That didn't change. That short-term rates would go up an additional 25 basis points on September 26th. Now, it's going to get interesting here. Is that you had a lot of questions asked about the flattening of the yield curve. And right now, what you have is that our 10-year yield is at 2.875. And what you can see on the next rise inside the short-term rates, that would be saying that the short-term rate would go from 2 to 2.5. That is going to be kind of dangerous. That's why those questions are being asked right now, because what you have there, of course, on a short-term rate, that is bank-to-bank lending overnight. When we take a look at this, when you take a look at the differential between the 2 and the 10, this is where this is getting dicey. We're at 2.875 on the 10. We're 2.611 on the 2. That is flattening down in a big way. So we'll see if that 90% number changes before we get into that September meeting. What the note and bond market is saying, meaning the public market, is that they're still buying notes, they're still buying bonds, and that market is saying that, guess what? I'm real happy with the rates where they are. Notes want higher price. Bonds want higher price. That equals lower yield. King dollar. King dollar up 141 ticks, trading 94.845. King dollar, once again, went into the 95 mark. It's been trying to, this is the dollar index. It's been trying to get over that mark for 6.5 weeks. Each and every time it comes up to the 95 mark, you have large seller that pushes it right off that mark. Same deal happened out here today. 8:30 this morning. Now, the housing numbers come out. Well, the housing numbers that came out this morning was the amount of new permits that were basically pulled. That was down 9%. In 9-month low. Big numbers. People aren't pulling new permits. They got to get rid of what's out there first. Bottom line, that number come out, bang. Housing number comes out. The seller's right back inside King dollar. This failed on price. Once again at the 95 area. You're at 94.845. Euro's at 116.31 to $1 US. Yen is out here trading at 112.87 to $1 US. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Let's go over and take a look at IBM. IBM just come out with numbers. So IBM today closed at a price point of 144.52. IBM is trading at 145.75. That's not going to do a thing for IBM because IBM is down from 170 just 6 months ago. So let's see what they're saying number-wise out here. The revenue estimate was $19.9 billion. They came in with $20 billion. IBM, folks, you know what's amazing here? They have been massaging their numbers for so long. It's just amazing. And the market doesn't believe them. That's the real bottom line. We'll see what the rest of these numbers have to say. The earnings per share, the estimate was $3.04. They made $3.08. They did reaffirm their full 2018 forecast. So let's see what they're saying on the 2018 forecast. Okay, so they're saying that their pre-tax income is going to be up 14%. Operating income is going to be up 11%. They see pre-tax margins expanding 1% year over year. Revenue at $20 billion. That's adjusted for currency. Cloud revenue is $18.5 billion over the last 12 months. That is growing. That's up 23%. At service annual exit run rate revenue was up 26%. Okay, so with Ginny, the CEO is saying, Ginny Ramani, we delivered strong revenue and growth profit in the quarter. IBM's progress and momentum in the emerging high-value segments of the IT industry. More clients are engaged in IBM on their journey to the cloud and deploying IBM Cloud, Watson AI, analytics, blockchain, and security solutions. That's what they're saying, but guess what, folks? Okay, let's see. Strategic revenue over the past 12 months was $39 billion, up 15%. Total cloud revenue last 12 months was $18.5 billion. So if we go take a look at this chart-wise, what you're going to see is this high that was generated out here. February of 2017 was $182, and we bring this back a little bit more. You're going to see that your high, I believe this high, I guess it's 7 years ago now. Yeah, here it is up here. Man, time flies. 5 years ago. So your high was 2013, $215. You go downtown to $116. You do a counter trend bounce up to 182. Bottom line, IBM just doesn't have it. You know, in fact, IBM has this high volume low that's laying out here at 116. And if we do take a look at their revenue model for a second, yeah, you're still, well, let's put it this way. It looks like they may stabilize. It's going to be close, though. You know, they expected to do basically $20 billion. That's what they did. But they're pushing. They're saying that next year they're only going to do $19 billion a quarter. Pretty amazing. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.